Let's talk about the top 5 renovations that will add to the enjoyment of your home. Of course, this is subjective, but these 5 renos are pretty universal across the board. Number 1 would be finishing your basement. Number 2 would be adding a garage. Number 3 would be sunrooms and additions. Number 4 would be decking and fencing. And finally, number 5 would be upgrading your landscaping in your garden. And the final category for renovations is the top 5 renovations that will maintain the value of your home. While this is the least sexy category of them all, this is a must in order to maintain your home's value and integrity. So number 1 would be upgrading your roof. Number 2 would be your HVAC system. This would be your heating, venting, and air conditioning. Number 3 would be updating your windows and doors. Number 4 would be updating your electrical. And finally, number 5 would be repairing any structural defects to your home. And that's it. That's the top renos in each category. Hope this was useful. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.